Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog featuring me in this crazy hair. This is actually my natural hair, by the way. Yeah, I'm kind of getting some Moana vibes, but yeah, I wanted to come up on here, okay. I just wanted to vlog, yeah. Let's vlog. I clearly need some like eyeliner or some chapstick, clearly, because my lips are chapped. I actually have to run to work in a little bit, but after that, I have a couple of days off, and Carlos's birthday is coming up. So I know that we have to run a lot of errands and get a lot of things done. So if you want to go ahead and come along for the ride, then please fasten your seatbelts and let's get ready to go, okay? Also, I'm getting over a cold, so I do have the sniffles a little bit. That's why I haven't vlogged in a minute. Actually, I did try to vlog. I'm not gonna lie. I did try to vlog. I just, one, wasn't feeling good. Two, Mac Miller passed away, and that literally, I'm still devastated about it. I will actually insert some clips because I did vlog when I found out. Wow, Mac Miller. My heart honestly hurts because depression is a motherfucker, you guys. Like, it's not a joke. It's not to be taken lightly. Take care of yourself. I'll also insert another clip of me almost having a panic attack, but not. I'm about to have an anxiety attack, so I'm just trying to leave the house and hopefully go for a drive. I hate driving, which is another thing that actually gives me anxiety, but I have so many people at my house right now, so I just need to like get out. So yeah, anyways, I'm glad this lighting sucks and you can't really see me cry. So, welcome to the vlog. Yeah, let's go. But I have to run to work in a bit, and then after, we are free to play and do what we please. Well, actually, not what we please. We have a lot to do. Carlos's birthday is coming up. We gotta make it a good one, you know? Alright, so yeah, I will see you after I get off of work. Okay? Okay. Okay? Okay. Okay? Okay.
I thought you into my life. Look at my mind. No better place all the time. How they align. Universe must have my back. Up from the sky into my lap. And I know you know that you're my soulmate. And all that I'm like, ooh.
Hey guys, what is up? So, I am off of work, clearly, and yeah, I'm a little bored, so we're gonna run to the dollar store and pick up some things. My hair looks kind of crazy, so I don't know what we're gonna do when we get home. We're either gonna do, maybe we should film a video, a makeup look, or something. Not quite sure. So, I just got my Starbucks, I got Taco Bell for Carlos, and we are heading home. So yeah, I will see you when I get there, because we don't want to keep vlogging and driving, because Lord knows we don't need to get in an accident. Okay, so I will see you at home. Bye. Clearly it's the next day. Yeah, my camera died. Yeah, what's new? And I didn't do too much. Literally got a pataya bowl. Carlos brought me some ice cream. I will insert some clips of those right now. Much in the back, we go out, she ordered the steak. She can't explain it, but you know it working for her. She claiming she. They came through with the Baskin Robbins, and I'm catching up on a Riverdale. Didn't do too much, but I did want to share with you some things that I got recently. And my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy both came in yesterday as well. So, to share these scrunchies with you. I actually got these guys at Walmart. These three because I thought they were really cute. Look, let me show you. This guy is like baby pink. It's velvet, and it has like these little pearls on here. So super cute scrunchie. This guy's really cute too. It's just nice and metallic, shiny. Like a classic matte black one, which you can't go wrong with. You always need black scrunchies lying around. So yeah, I didn't pass it up. And so I actually forgot something at Walmart and had to go back. So I found my way back to where these guys were, and I ended up picking up the black one, this little silver metallic-y one, which is really cute, and then this like baby pink metallic-y one as well. But I thought they were so cute, so I'm very happy with my purchases. This thing that I got is kind of a necessity. Well, for me it is. I got this big pack of Real Techniques sponges. I just used one to do my makeup today. But yeah, I always need sponges on hand. I just like to have clean ones. Yeah, I don't know, one like every week or so, just because that's how I am. But I have sponges everywhere, and I'm always cleaning them, and if I have a brand new one, I'd rather use a new one than have to go run and clean a sponge. Next, I just got some stuff from the local mall because Carlos's birthday barbecue is on Saturday, and I don't have anything to wear. So, okay. Like, you could literally wear a plain dress and throw on a kimono and it changes everything. Or wear a ripped pair of jeans and like a basic black or white shirt, cream colored shirt. Throw this guy on and it like literally, and a pair of heels, and honestly it just changes the entire outfit. So I think that's kind of what I'm going for, like a classic chill, but you know, I kind of tried. Like, pretty. It's like a floral print. I just thought it was super nice because it's not too busy, but it's still like you get the pops of color here with the pink and the little like teal turquoisey color. Nice pattern. So I got these guys, and I think this is the one that I'm leaning towards wearing. We'll see what actually happens. Another one that's like baby pink. It's the same like florally pattern, not the same pattern, but along the same lines. So definitely floral. It's literally so pretty. I think I got this one for like $5, but this one is actually comes a little bit shorter, more towards like the hip, and then that one's pretty long. It comes to about my calf or so. So this guy's really cute. This is a longer one, and then this guy's a little bit more of a shorter one. And then the next thing I got is actually really casual. Really, the next thing that I got is actually really cute. Carlos picked this out. It was found in the men's section, but it wasn't in his size and it could fit me, and we were like, no, somebody needs to get this. We are not leaving until we figure it out. Also was on sale, and I'm like, what? Isn't it so cute? It's like this checkered MTV jersey. It's like white, black checkered with that teal color. Oh, it's so cute. And then on the back, it has the number 81 and it says music television. So couldn't pass this guy up. So I guess I'll be wearing that shortly as well. Maybe we'll do a cool like eyeball look or something with that, because I feel like it's bright colors and we can. So, drum roll, or snapping, because that's what we're doing. Okay, yeah, so let's see what I got in this month's Ipsy bag. So I did open my BoxyCharm, not gonna lie, but I will still show you what I got. So yeah, let's go ahead and see. Eyes closed. How cute is this? That is so cute. Wow. Thumbnail? Just kidding. Yeah, how cute. This is so cute. I love it. So, the first thing I see is a brush. Ooh, it's a Luxie brush. I love Luxie brushes. They're so soft. They are perfect. I love me a Luxie brush. Ooh, this is a Harley Quinn Luxie brush. How cute. This is a Luxie 110. I honestly don't own this brush, but it says good night, and it is literally a Harley Quinn. How, can you see that? No. How cute. Halloween is coming up. What kind of looks do you want to see? Huh? What? let your girl know. Drop it in a comment. Please help us sister out because we are going to do the 31 days of Halloween this year. Well, actually, I always do the 31 days of Halloween. I normally post on Facebook and Instagram, but this year we are, God bless our souls, please help us. We are going to do 31 days of Halloween on YouTube. Whew! I can't believe I just said that. Did I just say that? I just said that out loud. Wow, so I guess it's happening. Yeah, 31 days of Halloween on YouTube. I guess after this I better start pre-filming because that's next month. Okay, well, yeah, I said it. You heard it here. 31 days of Halloween. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of looks you guys want to see. Special effects looks are coming. My friends are like, girl, you post regular makeup videos, but why are you not posting special effects videos? Like, that's kind of what you do. And I'm like, it is. It really is. So I need to get on it. But yeah, so be expecting those as of October 1st. And you know what? You might get some before that, but believe me, there will be videos. God help us. Next thing that I see in my bag is this Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later face primer. So it's really teeny, so I like these guys, especially if you're traveling, you know, you don't have to waste space with a big old face primer for what I put on my face because I've been very sensitive lately to new products. So I'm kind of just sticking with what I know works for right now. That I see in my little bag is this Opto, I think, Healing Turmeric Mask, and it says it's for all skin types. So turmeric is actually really, really good for your skin. So I know that that works well with my skin. So hopefully this guy will be nice and refreshing for my face. Alright, so the next two products actually are in little boxes like these, which is really cute. So let's go with this guy first just because it's cute, has little polka dots. It's from the brand Dirty Little Secret. So let's see. Oh, it's a bronzer, it looks like. That's what it's. A very shimmery bronzer, to say the least. Let's see. Oh, it's very shimmery. It's basically pure shimmer. Okay, well, I don't know how much I'm going to like that. But this next thing that I got is a blush from Steve Laurent. Let's see. Ooh, it's actually a really deep color there. So, see how this baby swatches. Oh, wow. It's actually really beautiful. So, I'll have to give this guy a shot. Alright guys, so now on to a Boxy Charm. This month's theme is a wildflower, and this guy tells you literally everything you got in the box. So, first thing that I got that I'm actually really excited about is this Laura Geller Baked and... I can't even speak. This Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten Blush. Baked blush. What? This is the Baked Blush and Brighten. Whatever, that's what it is. Like a blush topper, I would guess. Like, kind of shimmery, but it's actually really nice. Like, it would look very good, like with a sheen and a golden highlight. Yeah, so I'm actually really excited. Little eye brushes from the brand Alamar. From the brand Alamar Cosmetics. I actually have the palette that I also got in a previous box. These are super cute, and I love getting new brushes, so I'm excited to play with these and see what kind of looks I can come up with using the Alamar palette. So yeah. Or next thing that I got is this little liquid lipstick from Hank and Henry. I think it's pretty cool. Well, what color is this in? This is in the shade Pedal Pusher. Look at this, you guys. One more time. Actually really pretty. I like this. I honestly, not gonna lie, it doesn't look how it looks on here, so I really didn't think that I was going to care for it too much, because since I'm a little bit darker in complexion, I feel like some nudes need to be a little bit darker for me personally just to be able to wear, but I actually really like this. So I'm excited to try this guy out on my lips. I would do it right now, but honestly, I'm too lazy, and your girl's gonna film a top secret video after this. You'll see it shortly. You'll probably see it like next week, honestly. Actually, is this eyeliner, and it is from Butter London, and I have a Butter London mascara that I really love, but I don't know how I'm gonna like this, you guys. Like, really, this is kind of a crazy little contraption. Look at this eyeliner. I've never used anything like this before in my life. Look at the Cheshire Cat over here freaking me out because I've literally never used anything like this in my life. What am I supposed to do with this? How am I supposed to do my eyeliner with this? It's literally like a little wheel. A wheel. How am I supposed to do my eyeliner with this? And the biggest thing in this month's box is this Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette. I think it's super cute. I think it's honestly gorgeous. I think it's really beautiful. It's definitely fall, screaming a smoky eye. So gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. Oh yeah, guys, I just wanted to share with you some of the things that I've gotten recently, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here, and I will see you in the next one. Tomorrow's Carlos's birthday, so we're gonna vlog. Let's hope. Yeah, so we're planning on vlogging a little bit, and then Saturday is his birthday barbecue at his sister's house, so we will actually vlog there a little bit too. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, well, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching this week's vlog. Yeah, thank you for watching this week's vlog. I think I like vlogging, and I think we should make weekly vlogging a thing. Yeah, you think? Would you guys watch them? I love watching people's vlogs. I actually love YouTube in general, so I watch a lot of videos. But yeah, vlogs are fun. Vlogging is fun, so I would love to do a weekly vlog for you guys. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in, because I'm definitely interested in that. So if you guys want to see, I'm willing to vlog. Let's do it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe down below if you haven't already to become part of the Peace Posse. We would love to have you, honestly. You guys melt my heart. I know we're a small family, but we're a tight family and we're strong, so I love you guys. My heart goes out to you. But yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of Halloween looks you guys want to see this year. What kind of Halloween tutorials you guys want to see this year. Woo! Let's be real, we're doing it. But yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. So yeah, peace and love to you always, and I will see you in the next one. See you later, alligator. Bye.